Why, hello everyone, this is the Lizard X channel, and today we're playing Poly Battle, or Battle Games episode 25. And in this episode, we will be playing Poly Battle. Fun game. There's a tank. Hello, Tonk. Donkey Bonky. Hey. Hello, how you doing? Hello, how you doing? How you doing? He's hacking. Hacker in building. Yes, he's hacking. Let's change this. Let's change this class. Let's get the AK. Soviet Union. I take AK-47, I shoot you in the forehead. I go pop. Alright. We're gonna be heading over to point B. Yes. I like that letter. This just sounds... This has a lot of bass to it. Okay. The engine of that is really scary. How did you even get in here, my guy? Here we go. Let's... Boom. Dead. Whoa, dude. Alright, we're just getting KO'd. Ow. There we go. Let's go over to A, because I feel like A would be a better spot to go. Move to the position, and we're like... Oh, Français! France. We are in the France. Oh, Français? France. As the Eiffel Tower. Alright, we're almost there. Baguettes. Get me. Ooh, ah, mommy shot me with a tank. Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh, Lord, what the... Can't kill me. I'm taking your helicopter. You don't deserve it. How do I get in? Enter pilot. I'm outie. Well, that sucked. Are we winning? No, the only one left is E. So, let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Alright. All we have to do is get to the second, that base, that one, right there. I think we can do this. Charge! Yes, I got him. Oh, crap. Ooh. How did he... Okay, I don't know how he got over here, but... I guess I just am bad at this game. I want to get in a tank. Because tanks are... Well, I think we lost. So, round 2. I want an air vehicle. Where are the air vehicles? Let's go, boys. To be. Alright, we're already taking this. Let's go. That's a tank. That's a helicopter. That's a helo. That is a... Come on. Oh, hello, tank. Uh-oh. Get out of here. Oh, that hurt. There's 2 of them. Well, this is not working, obviously. I need ammo. Is there ammo here? Let's go, boys. Ah! Oh, that did not help. Alright, I'm making a promise. The next time I die, the video ends. That's my promise. And if I die one more time, the video ends. I have 1 life. 1 life, and that's it. I'm going to probably die very quickly, so I'm just gonna, you know, defend. This is going to be very difficult not to die. I want to make the video interesting, but at the same time, I want something... Okay. There's too much going on here. We gotta get out of here.